What's the meaning of add-in? Add-in. 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 An add-in is a software component that enhances or adds new functionality to an existing program. In other words, it is an extra software module that can be installed and integrated with a program to extend its capabilities and features. Add-ins can be used to perform a wide range of tasks, such as data analysis, reporting, customization, automation, and more. By using add-ins, users can simplify their work processes and increase productivity without having to switch between different applications. They are commonly used in software like Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and Word, where they provide additional functionalities that help users achieve specific tasks more efficiently.